Hydrogen is often described as the fuel of the future, but it is not suitable for every application or every user. Hydrogen is not a direct energy source, does not exist freely as fuel. It must be produced in factories using electricity or natural gas, which requires large amounts of energy. Low overall efficiency. Producing hydrogen, compressing it, transporting it through pipelines or tanks, and converting it back into electricity causes energy losses at each stage. Because of these losses, direct use of electricity is more efficient in many cases. Complex storage and transport. Hydrogen is extremely light and must be stored in high-pressure cylinders, cryogenic tanks, or special metal containers. These storage systems are expensive and require advanced infrastructure. Safety and cost considerations. Hydrogen is highly flammable and needs strict safety systems, sensors, and controlled environments. This increases the cost of hydrogen equipment and limits its use in homes and small buildings. Batteries work better in many areas. For homes, small vehicles, city transport, and electronic devices, battery-powered systems are simpler and more efficient. Charging batteries directly from electricity is cheaper and easier than using hydrogen. Where hydrogen is actually useful. Hydrogen is most useful in heavy industries, large factories, long-distance trucks, ships, airplanes, and large energy storage systems. These sectors are difficult to power using batteries alone. Hydrogen is not a universal energy solution. It is a targeted solution for specific industrial and large-scale energy challenges. Understanding where hydrogen works, and where it does not, helps build a smarter clean energy system. Subscribe to Vault Up Digital for clean energy and future technology explained simply.